Good day, everyone. My name is Jazal Joy Gagora. I've been deeply interested in the rapid technological advancement transforming our nation. And today, I want to share my insights on a topic close to my heart, the transformative power of technology in the Philippines. We live in a time of unprecedented technological change, from the bustling urban centers to the most remote corners of our archipelago. Technology is reshaping our lives in profound ways. This presentation will explore this digital revolution, examining its impact on our education system, our businesses, and the broader social landscape. We will delve into both the immense opportunities technology presents and critical challenges we must address to ensure its benefits are shared equitably by all Filipinos. The Philippines is experiencing a technological surge, a digital transformation impacting every facet of life, from the bustling cities to the most remote villages. This isn't simply about the presence of technology, it's about its profound and multifaceted influence on our education system, our businesses, and the very fabric of our society. In education, the education sector is undergoing a seismic shift. The pandemic acted as a catalyst, accelerating the adoption of online learning platforms. This has democratized access to education, particularly for students in geographically isolated areas previously underserved by traditional schooling. Platforms offering interactive lessons, virtual classrooms, and personalized learning experiences are now readily available. Mobile learning apps, leveraging the widespread use of smartphones, further expands accessibility. However, the digital divide remains a stark reality. Unequal access to reliable internet connectivity and affordable devices disproportionately affects students from low-income families, perpetuating existing inequalities. Bridging this gap requires a concerted effort involving government investment in infrastructure, private sector partnerships to provide affordable technology, and targeted initiatives to enhance digital literacy among underserved communities. Furthermore, the effective integration of technology into the curriculum requires teacher training and the development of engaging, culturally relevant digital learning materials. In the business, the Philippine business landscape is being reshaped by technology at an unprecedented pace. E-commerce has exploded, connecting local businesses to a wider national and international market. This has empowered micro, small, and medium enterprises, or MSMEs, which form the backbone of the Philippine economy, to expand their reach and to compete on a larger scale. Fintech innovations, including mobile payment systems like GCash and PayMaya, have revolutionized financial transactions, increasing accessibility and efficiency, particularly in underserved areas with limited access to traditional banking services. The rise of the gig economy, facilitated by online platforms, has created new employment opportunities, offering flexibility and income generation for many Filipinos. However, this rapid growth also presents challenges. Cybersecurity threats are increasingly prevalent, requiring robust security measures and digital literacy training for businesses. The need for upskilling and reskilling the workforce is paramount to ensure that Filipinos possess the necessary skills to thrive in this evolving digital economy. Furthermore, the regulatory framework needs to adapt to the rapid pace of technological change to protect consumers and businesses alike. In social impact, technology influence extends far beyond education and business, deeply impacting social interactions and civic engagement. Social media platforms have become central to communication, community building, and social activism. They connect Filipinos across geographically boundaries, facilitating the exchange of information and fostering a sense of community. However, this interconnectedness also brings challenges. the proliferation of misinformation, and the potential for online harassment and cyberbullying necessitate media literacy programs and strong regulatory framework to combat these negative consequences. Technology also plays a crucial role in disaster response and relief efforts, providing real-time information, dissemination, and facilitating communication during emergencies. This highlights the potential of technology to enhance resilience and preparedness in the face of natural calamities. The transformative power of technology in the Philippines presents both immense opportunities and significant challenges. Addressing the digital divide, enhancing cybersecurity, and promoting digital literacy are crucial for ensuring that the benefits of technology are shared equitably across society. Collaboration between the government and the private sectors and civil society organizations is essential to keep effective strategies and policies that support digital inclusion, promote responsible technology use, and create a safe and secure digital environment. The future prosperity of the Philippines depends on harnessing the transformative potential of technology while mitigating its risk. Technology is fundamentally reshaping the Philippines. Its impact on education, business, and society is profound and multifaceted. By proactively addressing the challenges and strategically leveraging the opportunities presented by this digital revolution, the Philippines can unlock its full potential and build a more inclusive, prosperous, and resilient future for all its citizens. Thank you.